Good morning, students. Today we will learn solving equations having the variables on both sides. Examples: solve 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. This is left hand side, right hand side. Both the sides variables are there. Which are the variables? Here 2x and here x is the variable. So this type of sums, solving the equations having the variables on both the sides. So we will by taking, so in this, how to solve this, we will bring variables to one side and numbers to another side, any side. So I took here x to left hand side and number to right hand side, number and number taking to one side and variables keeping one side. So here when I bring x to this side, it becomes minus x, and when I take minus 3 to other side, it is not 3, minus 3 to other side, it becomes plus 3. So when you take the numbers or variables to another side, whichever is there on that side, that you have to write first. 2x is there in left hand side only, so 2x you should write first, then the variable taken from right hand side, after that you have to write, it becomes minus x. And right hand side, 2 is there already in right hand side, that number you have to write first, and then taken number from left hand side, minus 3, so it becomes plus 3. So now simplify. So in 7th standard you have learned 2x minus x, then one step I am skipping here. Next step is 2 minus 1 into x writing. Instead of that, directly you subtract the number 2. Here no number means 1 you have to take. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1x remained. 1x means x. X is equal to, here this side if you add the number, 2 plus 3, 5. Second question, 3m plus 4 is equal to minus 2m plus 14. Again I am bringing minus 2m to this side, number I am taking to other side. Minus 2m when you take to this side, it becomes plus 2m. Plus 4 when you take to other side, it becomes a minus 4. So first we have to write 3m, that is on the left hand side, that should come first, then taken plus minus 2m plus 2m is equal to plus 14 is there on right hand side, that number you should write first, then plus 4 becomes a minus 4. Now simplification. Now while adding the variables, adding the numbers, 3 plus 2, 5, as per sign, not always adding, and with that m variable is equal to 14 minus 4 is 10. Then again we are finding, our aim is finding the value of the variable. So 5 we have to take to other side. When you take 5 to other side, it becomes a division. So multiplication in between these two, when it is taken to other side, it becomes division. So m remains here, 5 you are taking to other side, 10 you write first, then divided by 5. We can simplify here, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, so m value is 2. Third question, 8x plus 4 is equal to 2 into x minus 1 plus 6. So before we take variables to another side, first of all we have to remove the bracket. In any equation, if it is there, means we have to simplify that first. Removing the bracket means multiplying 2 to both the terms which are inside the bracket. So next step, 8x plus 4 is as it is equal to 2. If when you multiply 2, you have to multiply to x, and 2 you have to multiply to minus 1 plus 6. So in this step multiplied, 2 into x is 2x, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, plus into minus minus, 2 into, it is multiplication, 2 into 1 is minus 2 plus 6. Now we will take variable to other side, minus 2x you take to other side, plus 4 you take to right hand side. So 8x minus 2x is equal to, minus 2 is there on right hand side, that you write first, plus 6 also is there on right hand side, that you write first, then plus 4 becomes minus 4. Now this 8 minus 2 is 6x is equal to minus 2. First we will simplify two numbers by taking only two numbers in this step. Minus 2 plus 6, numbers having different sign, subtraction. 6 minus 2, 4, bigger number sign, plus 4. Here minus 4, again bring it down, plus 4, 6x, x is equal to, 6x is equal to plus 4 minus 4, x is equal to plus 4 minus 4 becomes 0, and when you take 6 to other side, it becomes a division. 0 by any number is 0. So fourth question, y is equal to 3 by 4 into y plus 8. As I told you, if any equation contains bracket, the number which is outside the bracket you have to multiply for the terms which are inside. So you have to multiply 3 by 4 to y and 3 by 4 to 8. So y is equal to 3 by 4 into y plus 3 by 4 into 8. Now here we can simplify, 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. This way simplification is not possible, plus sign comes. In between these two, multiplication sign you can simplify. Here cancellation is not possible. So 3 into y is 3y by 4 plus, here remained 3 into 2, 6. Now we will take to variable to other side. This is variable. The term which contains variable, that whole becomes variable. Now we will take this to other side. Y is equal to minus 3y by 4 is equal to 6. Now how to simplify here? Here again fraction, addition, subtraction you have learnt. That way you have to simplify. So write y by 1 and make this denominator also 4. We have to equalize the denominator. To equalize, make here 4, we have to multiply by 4. When you multiply to the denominator, you have to multiply for the numerator also. So it becomes 4y divided by 4 minus 3y by 4 is equal to 6. Now the denominators are equalized. Subtract the numerator because here minus sign, 4y minus 3y. 4y minus 3y is 1y by 4 is equal to 6. Now you take 4 to other side, division becomes multiplication. 6 into 4, y value is 4. Fifth question, 4x by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2x by 10 plus 5. In this example, no brackets. Now taking variables to one side and number to other side, bringing 2x by 10, not only taking x, 2x by 10 to this side and 3 to other side. When you bring 2x by 10 to this side, minus 2x by 10, 5 is there on that side, that should come first, minus 3. Now again here, fraction, addition, subtraction. We have to equalize the denominator. 10 is multiple of 5, so we can make 5 as 10. So you have to multiply by 2, taking LCM method. LCM is 10 here. If you do that method, LCM is 10. So 2 you have to multiply for both numerator and denominator. If you multiply 8x, you are getting minus divided by 10 minus 2x by 10. Here you don't have to multiply, 10 is there already, is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. Here 8x minus 2x by 10 is equal to 2. 8x minus 2x is 6x by 10 is equal to 2. Here if it is possible, we can simplify. 2 is a factor for 6 and 10. 2 3s are 2 5s are. Remaining is 3x by 5 is equal to 2. 5 you take to other side. 3x is equal to 2 into 5. 3x is equal to 10. X is equal to, take 3 to other side, becomes division, 10 by 3. Here division is not possible. Keep a fraction only. Sixth question, 4z is equal to 8z minus 6 by 15. Bring variable to one side. Number is not there this side, so just we bring 8z to z side. 4z minus 8z is equal to minus 16 by 5. When you simplify this, 8 minus 4, 1 is plus, 1 is minus, subtraction. 8 minus 4 is 4, but bigger number sign is minus, so minus 4 z is equal to minus 16 by 5. Now take z value you are finding. So with the z, minus 4 is there. Minus 4 you take to other side. When you take minus 4 to other side, it becomes a division. It is not just 4 minus 4. You are taking with the sign minus 4. Here minus 4. So minus 16 by 5 into 5 is there already in the denominator. Into you write and minus 4. Now you can simplify. 4 1s are 4 4s are. Here also minus also becomes plus. So remaining is z is equal to 4 by 5. That is the cancellation is not possible. So this is the answer. These are example sums. Exactly similar sums are there in exercise. This is your exercise. Today's homework. Exercise 3.5. 10 sums are there. Similar sums are there. Compare this sum with the example sums and refer that and understand it and do. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you, students.